Sound Innovations book, page 19, Serenade. Tempo is largo, so very slow. Key signature has a B flat and an E flat in it. So that's your key of B flat concert. It starts piano. It also starts with a whole rest. So let's count our rest. Ready? And rest, 2, 3, 4. Then we start on a B flat. It's kind of like part of our scale. Ready? Measure 2 and play. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, D, G, E flat, F, E flat, C, D, E flat, C, F, B flat. Then it's almost a repeat here. Ready? Go. E flat, C, D, E flat, F, D, G, E flat, F, E flat, C, D, E flat, C, F, B flat. Then we rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. E flat, C, D, E flat, C, F, B flat.